how to have the confidence to work your network marketing business. I get how hard it can be to build your network marketing business. And in today's video, I'm going to give you 4 tips on how to really build your network marketing business with confidence so that you can have the success that you want. And hey, if we are just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds, and I help network marketers brand themselves with confidence and build their dream business online. In this channel, I give you weekly tips on how to build your network marketing business online using the same strategies that I've used to hit the top ranks of my company. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, so a little backstory about me. I am actually, before I fell into network marketing, I'm a licensed professional counselor by trade, right? And so what I found is that there are so many people that want to do what we do. They want to build this enormous business online using social media, yet they don't have the confidence to believe that they can be successful. And having the training and the knowledge of how to build up confidence as a counselor, and having the knowledge and the training of how to be successful in network marketing, I've combined my 2 passions. And so I'm here to give you 4 tips on how to really build your network marketing business and how to not give up on yourself, right? Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, and I know that it's kind of cliche, is you need to know your why. All right, but you need to dig deep into your why, right? Some people will say your why needs to make you cry or something like that, and I don't think it needs to be that grandiose, but what I will say is that your why has to be to the core of your heart, right? So for me, I knew it was the time when my principal told me I couldn't take off of work to see my daughter be teacher for the day. And so that why drove me to knowing that I never wanted to miss any of my daughter's firsts again, right? And so what I would say is really get to the root of your why. And what I want you to do is I want you to post that why every single place that you can think of, because there's going to be times, and we'll get into that, where things are going to get tough and things are not going to go as quickly and easily as you want them to be, and you're going to be faced with some obstacles, right? So your why has to drive you past all of the obstacles, all right? The second thing that I need to tell you is that your expectations have to be in line with reality. When you are in network marketing, this is not a get-rich scheme. It takes work, it takes time, it takes failure, it takes pounding the pavement, so to speak, or pounding social media, like I like to call it, but it takes time to build your business. So you have to have very real and clear expectations, right? When you start this business, sometimes those of us that have like a really warm market or a really big warm market, right, will have success from the get-go, and that's so exciting and it's so amazing and it brings so much joy to us. But what happens is, and you have to expect this, right? Your expectations have to be in line with reality. At a certain point, you have to get past your warm market in order to be successful, right? And that's when the real work comes in. And so you have to know that this is a job, and if you treat it like a job, it will pay for itself like a job. But if you treat it like a side little gig, that's what it's going to pay you. So your expectations have to be in line with reality. You have to know that this is going to take work, it's going to take tenacity, it's going to take dedication to build your business. All right, so the third tip that I have for you is that your thoughts cause your feelings. I am a true believer in this. All right, so if you start telling yourself, I'm not good enough, I can't do this, this is never gonna work for me, guys, then you know what's gonna happen is you are going to take a step back and you're gonna say, I can't do this, and you're gonna give up, right? And so your thoughts need to be positive. Your thoughts need to be realistic, but they also need to be encouraging at the same time. So your thoughts cause your feelings. So make sure what you're feeding your head is positive affirmation, positive thoughts so that you can build your business with success, okay? And then the fourth thing that I have for you is that you need to show up with consistency, guys. I can't tell you how many people, they start their business, they're so excited, they post a few times on social media, and then life happens, right? Or then maybe the expectation that they're not getting the orders that they want because they didn't set their expectations up in line with reality, they don't have the success that they want, okay? So you need to be showing up with consistency. I can't stress live video enough for your business and building your business. So if you're not doing live video, make sure you get in on my course that is going to teach you the confidence to go live on social media. It's in the description below. You definitely need to get your hands on that because part of the consistency is showing up on live video. So there's that like, know, and trust factor. And the question of the day that I have for you is, what is the one thing that you think holds people back from building their network marketing business? Put it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I would love to know what you think holds people back from building their business, all right? And hey, this is Julie Reynolds. I hope that these tips are helpful for you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out because I come on here weekly giving network marketing tips on how to brand yourself with confidence and build your dream business. Have a good one.